3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If you've encountered the "this site can't be reached" error message while trying to access a website in Chrome on your Windows computer, there's a simple method you can try to resolve the issue. Start by opening the Windows search bar, type in Control Panel, and selecting it from the results. In the Control Panel, navigate to Network and Internet, and then to Network and Sharing Center. From here, locate your active network connection and click on it. Next, click on Properties to open the connection settings. In the list of items used by the connection, find and uncheck Internet Protocol Beige version 6, IPv006, to disable it. Once you've done this, click OK to save the changes. After completing these steps, return to Chrome and try loading the web page again to see if the issue has been resolved.